Everyone dreams of a life where your money works for you and your financial dreams become a reality. Investing is the key that unlocks this door of opportunity and fulfills your dream. It's not just for the wealthy or the financial gurus, it's for everyone who wants to grow their wealth and secure their future. Welcome back to Exodus Capital. Today, we are going to share with you 5 powerful strategies that will help you invest like a pro and achieve financial success. These strategies will provide you with the knowledge and confidence you need to make wise investment decisions. Make sure to stick around till the end to learn more about investing like a pro. Set clear investment goals. The first way to invest like a pro is to set clear investment goals. This is a crucial step in your journey toward financial success. Without clear goals, it's like setting sail without a destination in mind. It provides you with a roadmap, guiding your investment decisions and helping you stay focused on what truly matters. It's the foundation upon which your entire investment strategy will be built. The beauty of investing is that it can serve a variety of purposes in your life. You may have short-term goals like saving for a dream vacation or purchasing a new car. Or you may have long-term goals like funding your children's education or securing a comfortable retirement. It's important to take the time to identify and prioritize your investment goals, whether it's long-term or short-term. This will allow you to allocate your resources wisely and make informed investment decisions that align with your aspirations. If you don't know how to set achievable and realistic investment goals, start by clearly defining your goals. Then set milestones to track your progress. Break down your goals into smaller, achievable targets to keep you motivated. Diversify your portfolio. The second strategy that will help you invest like a pro is to diversify your portfolio. Portfolio diversification involves spreading your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographical regions.